Good morning, children. Welcome back once again. I am Sonali ma'am. How are you all today? I hope you all are superb and in great health. Today, I've come to teach you a new topic on general awareness, and we are going to learn today about vegetables. So, children, in your earlier session, you learnt about all the different kinds of fruits that we eat. We all love to eat fruits, yes? But what about vegetables? Do you all like to eat vegetables as well? I love to eat vegetables. My favorite vegetable is ladyfinger, which is also called bhindi. What about you? Which is your favorite vegetable? Do you know, children, why we should eat vegetables? Because vegetables is very good for our health. Mama tells you to eat your vegetables. I know sometimes आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है. मम्मा कहती है खा लो बेटा, वेजिटेबल तो फिनिश करना ही है, वेजिटेबल्स खा लो मेरा बच्चा. ऐसे प्यार से बोलती है, डांट के बोलती है. लेकिन क्यों? Why does she say that? Why? Because vegetables gives us energy, it gives us vitamins, minerals, fiber, and what does all those three things do? It makes us strong and healthy. And mama loves you so much. That's why she's always telling you, eat your vegetables, because vegetables gives us lots and lots of energy to study, to play, to do your work, to enjoy with your friends, to keep you away from all the diseases as well. Yes, it doesn't give you cold, cough. It makes you strong. That's why we must always eat vegetables. So children, let's see some pictures of different kind of vegetables we have. Okay children, now that we saw the book, we saw so many vegetable plants, and we saw some vegetables which we can eat cooked and some vegetables which we have to eat raw. Raw means without cooking. So I'll show you some of the vegetables that I have here, and let's talk about all of them as to how they help us with our growth. This is called a potato. हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? आलू. This vegetable grows under the ground. It is called a root vegetable. It has to be cooked and eaten. It is rich in fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and we can make parathas, aloo ki sabji, french fries out of potato. Next vegetable is onion, which is also called pyaz. It grows under the ground. It has many layers and a very strong smell. This can be eaten raw and cooked. It is very good for the heart. Next vegetable is cabbage, which is also called patta gobi. It is a leafy green vegetable which grows on the ground. It has many layers to it. This can be eaten raw in salads like coleslaw and cooked as well. It helps improve digestion and is full of vitamin C, which is very good for our health. Next vegetable is cauliflower, which is also called phool gobi. It is white in color and has got green leaves around it. It has small florets. You see these children, these small things, they look like flowers, hence the name. We have to cook and eat. It has many vitamins and fiber. It grows on the ground. Next vegetable is cucumber, which is also called kheera or kakdi. It is green on the outside and white on the inside. It has many seeds. This vegetable we eat raw in salads, raita, sandwiches, and it has lots of nutrients and vitamin C. What is this, children? This is beetroot. In Hindi, we call this chukandar. This vegetable grows under the ground, and hence it is called a root vegetable. We can eat it raw or boiled. It has many health benefits. It is called one of the superfoods. It has lots of nutritional benefits. It is rich in calcium, iron, vitamin A, C. It is also a great blood purifier and keeps our skin glowing and healthy. This is beetroot. The other one is, next vegetable is tomato, which is also called tamatar. It is a beautiful red color vegetable and has many seeds. It can be eaten raw. It grows on a small tree. It is very juicy and we can put it in salads, sandwiches, and we can even eat it in the form of soup. It has lots of vitamin C and is very, very good for our health. This is a capsicum. It is also called Shimla Mirch. They are also called bell pepper in English. They are green in color and they grow on trees. They are an excellent source of vitamin A and C, and it has lots of dietary fiber. And you know what, children? They come in beautiful colors like a bright red, like this. Look at this. Oh wow, yummy. And it also comes in one more color, which is a sunny yellow color. Yes, this is also a capsicum. They taste very nice. We put them on pizzas, salad, and we can eat them raw and cooked as well. Look at the beautiful color it has. The yellow, the green, the red, lovely, beautiful. So these are called capsicums, bell peppers or Shimla mirch. This is called brinjal. In Hindi we call it bengan. This has a beautiful color on it. Look at the beautiful purple color on it. And it has many seeds inside. In English, it is also called an eggplant. This vegetable grows on trees and is high in nutrition and fiber. This vegetable has to be cooked and eaten. What is this, children? Yes, green peas. This is also called hari matar. They are small green round shaped vegetables which grow in a pod. What is a pod, children? This outer covering is called a pod, and then we open it like this. And look at this. Wow. What are these inside? They are called peas. They grow on trees and are a great source of calcium, potassium, magnesium, etc. It can be eaten raw or boiled. These are the peas. They're beautiful green round color and the outer covering is called a pod. So that's why we say pod. The next vegetable is carrot. This beautiful orange color vegetable grows under the ground and it is also called a root vegetable. They are sweet and crunchy in taste and can be eaten raw. Carrots are high in vitamin K, fiber, oxidants and are very good for our eyes. So we must all eat carrots. This is a drumstick. In Hindi, we call it dhol ki chhadi. It is also called horseradish in English. It is a tall, thin plant. It's green in color and has many health benefits, like it is rich in vitamin B, A, which is good for our skin, hair, eyes. They have to be cooked and eaten. Drumstick. What is this, children? Yes, this is corn. Corn grows on trees and we have to have it cooked or boiled. The beautiful golden color of the corn looks yummy and are sweet in taste. It contains vitamin B, iron, zinc and promotes eye health. It is also called makai. But what about this small ones here? Oh, yum, yum. These are called baby corns. It is a type of corn cereal which is harvested from corn, but it is removed a little early when they are small and immature. We can eat this whole, including the cob. ये जो cob होता है ना, that also we can eat, children. This is baby corn. It's used in salads, it's used in soups, etc. What is this, children? This is also something I have at home. Look at it properly. This is called a lettuce. Lettuce, it's a greenish white color leafy vegetable and is great for salads and sandwiches. It has many layers and we can eat it raw or grilled. It grows on the ground and it is low in fiber and high content of water. It provides calcium, potassium, vitamin C and it is very, very yummy in taste. This is lettuce. Then what is this, children? Look at it properly. It's called broccoli. Look at the beautiful green color. And what does it look like? Yes, it looks like the cauliflower. It comes from the same family of cabbage and cauliflower. It is a beautiful dark green in color and it is very tasty and healthy. It's a great source of vitamin K and C, potassium, fiber, which is very, very good for our bones. You can even have it with cheese. It tastes very good. You can make broccoli soup. It's very yummy in taste. And what is this on the side, children? What is this? Yes, it's a cabbage, just like the big one that we saw, but it is purple in color. It's called a purple cabbage, and we have to cook it and eat it the same way as a big cabbage. This also has many layers like this. So we'll put it with the big green cabbage here. This is purple cabbage. Beautiful color, isn't it? Okay, children, so these are some of the vegetables that I had at home and I explained to you about every vegetable. However, we have many other vegetables which we eat at home. Yes? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the small, beautiful vegetables and the different colors and flavors and textures that I spoke about. Okay, children. So now I will give you a worksheet to do. Here you have to look at the pictures, circle the vegetables that have to be cooked and tick the ones that can be eaten raw. For example, the first picture is pumpkin. Pumpkin, we have to cook and eat it. So we have to circle it. The next picture is potato. Potato also has to be cooked and eaten it. So we will draw a circle. The next picture is carrot. Carrot can be eaten raw. So we will put a tick mark on it. The same way you have to do the rest of the vegetables. So children, I hope you all enjoyed learning about different vegetables that we eat and you learned the importance of having vegetables as well. So we will meet again tomorrow to do a quick recap of vegetables and we'll do a fun activity which you all will enjoy. So till we meet again tomorrow, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.